how to put cash on Cash App card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can put cash on Cash App card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to put a cash on Cash App card, basically what you have to do is you don't put money to your Cash App card, you just put money and add it into your own Cash App account, which you can also use from your Cash App card. So to add money to your Cash App account, just come to the home tab over here. Then here under cash balance you can see add cash option, so just tap the add cash option that you can find here. Enter the dollars worth of cash that you want to add and just make sure to add them from your bank account. So you can enter your debit card of your bank account, and then once you enter the details you can tap the link out option and the desired amount will get added from your bank to your Cash App account, resulting to your Cash App card. This way you will be able to put cash on Cash App card. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.